Everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior with a beige interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back here. GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging on the back, and power opening and closing trunk. Press the button to close. Looking at our rear seats. Plenty of room back here for your passengers. This vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system throughout. Another look up at the sunroof, and quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Now we'll take a look at the driver's side. So memory seats here on the driver's side, and heated seats for both driver and passenger. In the Burmester sound system throughout. Driver door controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 31,715. And we have a push button ignition. Here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. You can also control this using your command module right down here. So you can see navigation, radio, as well as backup camera. Below the display we have our climate control, cup holder and wireless charging station for a cell phone. And in that command module there, you can make adjustments to the display. You can switch between the different dynamic modes for traction and gear ratios. Sport, comfort, eco, off-road. And of course the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this GLE 350 or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.